We've talked before about the alignment that we need for getting our turns prepared and how to get into some of our jumps and all this stuff. But today we're focusing deeply on the alignment aspect. So when you go to do a jump, you want to break down exactly what you're doing in the air. Take, for instance, a grand jeté. A grand jeté, you are basically doing the splits in the air. Again, for today's purposes, I'm not going to be going full out because I want to break down the dynamic of the alignment. So when you go to do a grand jeté, you're basically doing two grand battements at the same time, which yields that really awesome appearance of us doing the splits in the air. In order to achieve that, though, we want to kind of step back. The whole reason jumps are at the end of class or after we've done our adage is because at this point we're rounding up everything we've practiced throughout class. So you want to revisit having done your splits on the floor. If you're practicing for your grand jetés, practice your splits. Practice an overextension. My jazz dancers will often do their jazz splits, so that way we're also prepared for a number of jumps that are in this position. But it's not just about the stretch aspect. So many dancers spend all of their time focusing on stretching rather than also strength training. So when you're in certain positions, work on your extension and your leg lifts. Use the bar. I've demonstrated how to do leg lifts in our conditioning videos. So I want you to go back, revisit those, and work on that. That's going to get your hamstrings stronger so you can lift easier. Things like the perch in jazz, this is a bit more of an advanced move. This will help clean up some of your stag leaps. It also works your core. When we talk about alignment with jumps, we focus so heavily on our legs sometimes that we forget about our upper body. You need to practice your upper body strength. So things like your backups, ballet sit-ups, really work your core so that way you can support pulling your body off the ground to achieve the jump. Now, like I said, I've given you guys many of the tools that you need ahead of time for this video. And so today I just wanted to break down the alignment you need specifically for your jumps. Look at whatever jump you're doing because every jump is different and apply the fundamental steps that you need to be able to perform it. I will see you tomorrow.